Hi, it's Jen from Not So Mystical Tarot. This is going to be your reading for Sun, Moon, or Rising sign of Cancer for the second half of July 2019. You can find me on Instagram at Not So Mystical Tarot or NotSoMysticalTarot.com if you would like a personal or a private reading. It will all be in the description. Now, I keep these a little bit short so that you can watch your Moon and Rising for more clarification because this is a general reading, okay? All right, Cancer, what do we have going on? Let's just get started here. Second half of July. Queen of Pentacles. Love her. Why? What are we doing that requires? She is organized, got herself together, knows where her money is, her bills are paid, her, all of her environment is under control. What are we? I feel like, I don't know, it must be this one. All right, yeah, you got yourself all worried. The way that you're going to avoid this is like that. You wake up in the middle of the night and you're thinking about, like, your stomach is churning and turning. There's something on your mind. The way that you will alleviate this constant worry, this constant background stuff, is to get your personal environment under control, to get your house under control. You need to, whatever you need to do to clean out your environment. If your house is a mess, get it cleaned up. If your bills are a mess, get it cleaned up. If you are not doing well at your job, get it together. Go in on a Saturday if you need to, clean out your office, clean out your desk. Do whatever you've got to do to get yourself in order and under control. If your kids are acting up or whatever, it's time to just stop. You need to align your environment completely and get yourself into a space where you are the one in control, and this will just go away on its own. This up all night worrying, because honestly, this does no good to anyone, and it's easily remedied. Sounds, I know, easier said than done, but it is easily remedied by getting control of your physical environment. So let's do that, and we're going to get a little bit more information as we go on with this reading. I mean, this can be a little traumatic, but you know what? It's a very clear answer, so no big deal. Okay, look at this. You have the Two of Wands. Two of Wands is saying, listen, start to make some plans for your immediate future. This is not your 5-year plan. This is your 2-week plan. Like I said, if you've got something going on, you're worrying about something, whatever, get your physical environment under control, and then you can start to plan. Okay, this is what I want. This is what I see for my future. I'm not saying you got to plan for 5 years, but this is what I want. And this is coming up throughout a lot of these readings. You have the Devil card. Now, this does not mean somebody's going to come to kill you or the devil's coming for your soul. This is old bad patterns of behavior, can be drinking, smoking, and all of that kind of stuff, that cause you problems. But what it really, when it's up with these swords here, I see it more as like bad thought patterns, and this is like worry that doesn't get you anywhere. Instead of worrying about it, you're going to do something about it. So you've already got this covered. You've already got this totally covered. You know exactly what you need to do. Whatever is messed up, it's time to start to make a plan to unmess it up, and you're going to be just fine. Just don't let your thought patterns, don't let that stuff start to kick itself up. When it does, go, okay, what am I going to do in my physical environment to get this under control? And let's get a little more information here for my Cancers. The Fool. This is awesome. It is time for something new. There's an opportunity in front of you once you get your environment cleaned up. That's the thing, because I think you may feel overwhelmed. When you get your environment all cleaned up and get yourself in order, you're going to see that there's some kind of opportunity that's right here for you. It is going to require that you are willing to step off this ledge. It's going to require a little bit of faith on your part, but you know what? That's okay, because that's how you grow, right? Stepping out of your comfort zone is how you grow. Let's see, what else do we have? Yeah, and you could be a little bit hesitant. This Nine of Wands is a little hesitant. And you know what? I don't blame you, because the next card after this is the Ten of Wands. And it's that person bent over with all the sticks on their back. Okay, so you're thinking, if I take on this new thing, am I going to be just so overburdened and overwhelmed? No, because you're going to let some other things that aren't important to you go. One of them being that worry, that Nine of Swords, that worry. What is that going to do for you besides hold you back? Exactly what it's going to do. So you're going to let that all go and just say, okay, you know what? And notice, I just want to say, he's got this rod right here. Just want to throw that out there with a little bundle of all of his things that are going to help him along the way. You have that ability to take that step, to take that action, to do that new thing, okay? You have that ability. Don't sell yourself short. I'm really feeling like that's a worry that you have. Maybe that's what you're thinking of. Look at this. This Two of Wands comes up again. Again, this new opportunity, this step in this other direction is not about planning the next 5, 10, 15 years of your life. It's planning the next few weeks of your life. Like, this is I got myself in order. Now I'm going to do something new. I'm going to enjoy something different. That's why we do those things. That's why we take the time to get ourselves organized, get ourselves in order, so that the opportunities in front of us can be utilized, can be accepted. Okay, so this is not for planning for the rest of your life, but hey, how about the next couple weeks I do something different? It's okay. You don't have to commit to 100 years of it, all right? So don't let that Nine of Wands scare you either. Not that it would scare you, but it holds you back. You definitely are a little bit like, this is scary. Everything is scary. Oh, what else do we have? What else do we have? What else do we have? Ace of Pentacles. Okay, you have the Ace of Pentacles. This is going to also give you not only an emotional and psychological opportunity to do something different, but it looks like here, this aces are gifts from the universe. This is the universe like, hi, here, did you want this? You know, you may have an opportunity. This may get you an opportunity for a new job, a new home, financial improvement, all different things improving, even if it's just reorganizing your kitchen and it makes you really happy and you start to cook beautiful meals. It can be anything, but take this totally seriously, because you know what? You only get this one chance to do this the way that you want to do it. So do it. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I will talk to you soon.